Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. If you are new to my channel, welcome. In my channel, what I do is I look at the chart, and I pretty much make most of my money from the charts. So if you are new to my channel, I have been basically trading for 10 years plus. And what I do for a living is trade Monday through Friday. And I swing trade the crypto market. So if that's something that you want to learn and just figure out how to make money viewing the chart and looking at these patterns, then definitely this channel is for you. I consistently look at certain patterns on the chart that basically happens over and over and over again. And now my students is basically doing the same. So over here, we are looking for to make money now. And I know some of you guys that's watching this for the first time, you're probably holding cryptocurrencies and you're probably losing money. But over here in my channel, we're actually making money because we are going along with the market. So if that's something that you want to learn, then definitely hit the subscribe button. During this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. And for you guys that's basically been losing for 7 months, I have good news for you. You can actually start making money right now. 5 more months left in a year, so you can actually still make money. That's if you want to change the way you think. So let's get this party started. And also, if you're new to my channel, just to let you know, I'm not a full-time bear, meaning that I love cryptocurrencies just like you do, and I hold cryptocurrencies just like you do. It's just that I have to consistently make money. And right now the market is down, and it looks like it's going to continue to go down. So that's what I'm doing. So if you are watching this replay, you can actually speed up time by going to speed and click 1.5 or 2. And basically you could cut the video in half once you could do that. So shout out to all my subscribers. Let's go to the chat room to see what's going on in the chat room. Hey, what's going on, Mason? What's going on, Pick a Winner? What's going on, Cedric? What's going on, Moreau? Tino? What's going on, Venta? All right. What's going on, Hall? All right. Satoshi, Lars, Dom. What's going on, Dom? Exposed. What's going on? All right. So everybody else, what's going on? Ishina, what's going on? So let's get this party started, bro. Like, man. You know, I told you guys, for you guys that are listening to your favorite YouTuber, I told you guys to be careful. Stop listening to these guys because they don't do this full time. They don't do it for a living. They don't pay their bills with strictly investing. And these guys are telling you buy these dips, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. If it goes lower, keep on buying. This is what the guys are telling you. And they don't understand that we are in a bear market. They don't understand how the market works. They don't understand the cycles of the market. So right now, last year, actually, we was going up. So yeah, buying a dip in the bull market is the best thing you do, of course. Last year, anybody could make, made money. Anybody made money last year. So you can actually close your eyes and pick a chart. And yeah, everybody looked smart last year, right? But this year, everybody's looking dumb because they don't do this full time. So they telling you what happened. They're actually telling you what worked last year, which is buying a dip, and they continue to tell you that, but they don't understand that we are in the bear market, and most likely this thing will continue all year. So these guys, your favorite YouTuber most likely is going to go out of business because they don't understand how the market works. They tell you to buy the dip, and this is not a dip. The market is going down. It's a downtrend. It's not a dip. It's a difference, right? So if we are in a bear market, dips are not called dips no more, right? It's just called a downtrend, and you're going against the major trend. So buying every single dip is very, very reckless and very, very dangerous. Okay, and I told you guys, be careful. I always say that every time I leave. Be careful, guys. Be careful. Be careful. Because these guys don't care about you. They just want the views. That's all they want. That's all they care about. They talking about moon this, moon that, be patient. That's all they care about, is views. So let's get this party started. Like I said before, the sellers are still in control. Go to CoinMarketCap, you can tell, bro. You can tell the sellers are in control because the volume is still low and no real bias came in the market. I told you guys that when we popped up from this level right here, that's not real buying. If you look at this bar, let's go to the 4-hour chart, right? Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Look at that bar on the 4-hour chart, right? It looked tasty, right? For a guy that don't know, about looking at charts, automatically he see this and say, "Yo, this is it, bro. This is the triple bottom that we have been waiting for. We are going to 20K, right?" And he don't know that basically you can tell whether if this is a true bottom or not by going to the volume and checking out where's Bitcoin volume at. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Let's go to Bitcoin. And just check out the volume and see how low the volume is. 3 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion, 3 billion. When you have sellers come in, it's a little bit more, 5 billion. But at the same time, people don't understand that volume means a lot when it comes to a bear market. When you're talking about reversals, volume means a lot. So if I really want to see it, a reversal, I'm looking for at least 10 billion, 11 billion, 12, 13 billion, not 3 billion. That tells me that the market is weak. So I tell you guys, be careful because these guys do not care about you. They just want to take your money and take your just get the views, put it like that. So let's go to the chat room and see who's in the chat room. Yeah, smash the likes. Anybody that's in the chat room, smash the likes. All right. What's going on, official? What's going on, businessman? What's going on, AJ? All right. What's going on, Sean? So Sean says, seems like you have multiple strategies. It's clear that you hold for the long term and play the market. Yeah, Sean, I'm gonna go over that later. I'm gonna go over that later. And I'm gonna tell you, my strategies. So what's going on, Dylan? Let's see who else. Anybody new? Okay, Tim, what's going on, Tim? So let's see if I see any questions. So Pick a Winner said, I called it Thursday. All right, Thursday. What's up, man? 5-5. Tonight, the triple bottom, exactly. Hall said, went to sleep in a couple hours. I missed the slide. I know, I hear you, man. So Exposed said, my lady said, what you watching? I hear you. That's crazy. Hit the lights, guys. Hit the likes. Yes, Dom. 53. Michael, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over. And guys, man, listen. For you guys that's new to my channel, like I said before, it's not, I don't want the market to go down, right? It's not me, but you have to understand that we don't control the market. And in order for me to continue to make money, I have to go along with the market, guys. So I remember one guy asked me, how come you just turn bearish all of a sudden? I'm not turning bearish. The market turned bearish, right? So I had to go along with it. So don't think I'm against cryptocurrencies. No, I'm just a realist. I understand what's going on. I've been doing this for 10 years plus, guys. I think a lot of you guys just think I'm joking. I think I'm just coming on here just to be talking. So I mean, like I said, I don't know how many times I have to tell you guys what's the deal. So let's go to the chat room and see what's going on. Dom said, buy dips my ass. Oh man. All right, businessman said, "Be right back." I hear you. Tino said, "Big Ben, I hope one day I can shake your hand and thank you for opening my eyes." Yeah, no problem, man. Thank you. Actually, thank you for being open-minded, because a lot of people are not open-minded, you know. So Michael said, what do you think about BNB is not following the trend? It's not following the trend right now as we speak. What I think about it, I still don't like it. I told you guys multiple times that BNB I don't like. It does look attractive because it's not following the major trend right now. But I told you guys I don't like it for the simple reason that we are going up slowly. I don't like that. I don't like if you look. All right, let's look at BNB, right? Let me show you a difference. You see how the market is going up right here? You see how it's shooting up, right? You see how it's shooting up right here? You see how BNB is shooting up right there? That tells me that there's a lot of demand, right? And then it chopped around, but it shot up again. So I want to see that type of movement. I don't want to see the market go up this slow. It's going up. It's grinding up slow. So I don't like that personally. That's the type of action I don't like. Now, if BNB decides to break out and you see a lot of volume on the upside, then I would say, okay, this is looking legit. But I told you guys that I don't like this, because at any moment this thing could actually reverse and break this trend line. That is you see this whole channel right here? It could break this channel and go down. So me personally, I don't like it because I've been doing this too long to understand how price and charts work. I know a lot of YouTubers like this, and they are bullish on BNB because they said that it has what did they say? They said that it's the only coin that you know, people are using. But me personally, I don't like it, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because at any moment this thing can go down if people start to withdraw money out of BNB, right? And you know, things could go sour with this coin. So me personally, I don't like it. Honestly, I don't really think it's too bullish. But overall, I'm not looking to buy anything. Personally, I'm looking to short. I told you guys before that Bitcoin is playing this channel right now. Look at this channel. Bitcoin is playing this channel right now. I told you guys I'm looking for Bitcoin to hit this bottom of this channel, which is around 56, 55. And that's what I'm looking for. We've been playing this channel real nice. And I told you guys that yes, it was a possibility that Bitcoin can actually hit this resistance line, or hit this one, or hit this one. But when I got off today early, I said honestly, this looks so weak. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing rolled over, maybe either tomorrow or anytime soon. So right now it's rolling over, and it looks like it's going to hit the bottom of this channel. So guys, be careful out here. For you guys that's trying to time these bottoms and buying these bottoms, bro, the bottom could be all the way down here. So be careful. It's funny how people are saying that the market can't go below 6,000 because of these so-called miners. It's funny, right? Like, bro, you don't understand how the market works. If the market wants to go down, it will go down regardless of who's in the way. These big dogs, the real big dogs, they don't care about these small miners. I heard recently that a lot of these miners, they shut off their thing anyway. So a lot of miners shut off their operations anyway. So right now we're going to continue to, it looks like we're going to continue to go down regardless of what the miners, you know, if they losing money regardless. So stop with that. That's why most people lose, is because you listen to people that don't know anything. You listen to the news, you read the news word by word, and you believe everything you read, bro. That's why you have to study and educate yourself. Stop believing everybody just because they have 100K subscribers, or just because you saw a news article. Oh, bro, the news article told me that if this thing go below 6,000, it will bounce back up. You can't believe everything you read, bro. Study your chart, study your industry, understand what's going on. the market will continue to go down regardless of these stupid miners. The market don't care about no stupid miners. It will continue to go down. So let's go back to the chat. So Riot said, where do you see potential support at? I don't see no support on Bitcoin. All I see with Bitcoin is stops, and that's all. So my first stop is, like I told you, my first stop would be the back of this. Since we on the channel, since we going down in the channel, then my first stop has to be 55, 56. Now we might bounce off of that, or we might just slice right through it. We don't have to bounce off the back of the channel. I'm just saying that's my first stop. Now, my original target was at 44. That's the first target, right? And then if we bounce from there, we might continue to go down, and I have maybe around 34 to 3,000, and then I have even lower. So this thing could go down a lot. So let's go to the chat room. What's going on, Moreau? How you doing, Moreau? He said these bots again. No, these bots, the bots is not doing this, Moreau. Only thing the bots is doing is trying to bring in these fake buys. So the bots is basically bringing these fake buys in the market, because like I said, the market, nobody's buying this market, bro. Nobody's really buying this market. Only the retail, only the small investors. The people that's talking about hodl, and your favorite YouTuber that has 100K subscribers, those are the people that's really buying the market, but they're not really doing, they can't really prop up the market because they don't have enough money. They only have $5, $500 here, $1,000 here, so they don't really have enough juice to prop up these markets. So only the bots is basically propping up and shooting up the market, but these sells right here is not the bots. Is really the rich is really selling this stuff. All right, so let's go back to the what do you call that? Let's go back to the chat room. Hall said rollover is the trends. What's up, Ace? All right, what's up, Ace? Nara, what's going on, Nara? He said good morning. I forgot that you in Finland, so shout out to Nara. He's in Finland. He says good morning. Right now it's 8:38 p.m. Eastern time where I'm at, but right now it's 3:30 a.m. where he's at. So shout out to Nara, because he's up early in the morning, man. Shout out to him. So I'm looking at these Travis, what's going on, Travis? All right, so like I said, your favorite YouTuber most likely probably in the next year or so, he's going to go out of business, but because he can't keep on telling his subscribers to buy. Everything is going to the moon. What's going to happen a year or 2 years from now? He can't keep on saying we're going to go to the moon, because people are going to get tired of him. So these guys don't know what they're talking about. They talking about the Facebook news, the rumor. Because I honestly totally don't believe that Facebook would actually do something stupid like that, because that's too risky. Why would you buy Coinbase and Bitcoin is going down? I mean, not Bitcoin. The market is going down. That's not a smart investment. Why would you? That's why I know that thing is a rumor. Why would you buy something and the volume is the thing is going down? It's not booming. So if it's going down, that means it could go lower. So you might as well, if you want to buy it, you might as well wait till this thing go lower and then buy it. So that's why I know that's a rumor. And I don't think Mark would actually risk his money like that, especially not right now. The prices is too high, right? So people think, and let's say that was true, right? Let's say that Mark did buy Coinbase. That's not enough to reverse the market. I told you guys, this market is basically the government took over this market, right? So this market is not the same no more, guys. The government basically took over the market, right? I told you guys earlier on my other live stream that FBI has over 130 ongoing crypto cases. And that's just the start, guys. That's just the beginning, guys. The beginning. So the government basically taking over, right? Taking over the crypto market. And they shutting down all these so-called coins on the market. So a lot of these coins are going to zero because a lot of these coins are useless. So just be prepared, guys. Be prepared and be careful. Don't try to time the bottom and buy the bottom. And basically, I was reading a comment. I was reading a comment on my video not too long ago, and this guy said, Ben, what are you talking about? The bears are starting to lose momentum. He said, Ben, what are you talking about? The bears are starting to lose momentum. Please, guys, where do you see bears losing momentum? I mean, this is what I have to deal with. This is what I have to deal with every single day when I come on live stream or you know, on YouTube. People like that are so brainwashed, they can't see that the market is going down. You see these big bars? How can you say the bears is losing momentum and every day or every month, every week we going down? Like, come on, guys. Wake up. Sheesh. Dom says soon the government will be going after all your favorite YouTubers. Exactly, because they promoting these stupid ICOs. So the government might crack down on that ICO promoting, right? So they might, you know, might make that illegal. That's why what's his name? John McAfee said he's not doing that no more. Remember he tweeted that? He said, yo, bro, I'm not promoting no ICOs. I'm done with that. He said, for your guys that want to do that, just look to get, you know, arrested. That's what he tweeted out. That's what John McAfee tweeted out. So a lot of these YouTubers are going to lose a lot of revenue, a lot of money by, you know, because they promote ICOs almost every other day. So they're going to lose a lot of money. And like I said before, a lot of them going to go out of business because they're going to lose money that way. They're going to burn their subscribers. A lot of people are going to turn on them. They're going to say, yo, bro, you've been telling me to buy this stuff since last year and I lost all my money just because of you. A lot of people are going to get pissed off. You know, shout out to all my subscribers, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate you sticking with me. Because I could have been one of those guys, man. I could have been one of the guys saying moon, moon, moon. But since I do this full time and I understand how the market works, when I saw it in March, when we sold off like this, I was like, yo, guys, be careful. We are in the bear market. And most likely, I told you guys, most likely, we're going to test these lows. It took a while, you know, in March. I mean, it took a while. But I told you guys, most likely, we're going to test this low. I told you guys that, but it took a while. So, you know, at the end of the day, it is what it is. And I remember one guy said it's impossible for the market to go to 5,500. Don't ask me why he said that, but he says impossible. He says there's too much demand for Bitcoin. So I don't know, man. This is what I have to deal with every single day, bro. So hit the likes if you're in the room. Hit the likes. What's going on, Rufus? All right. Evans, what's going on, Stuart? And so let me go over these. What's going on, Ken? Let me see if any questions going on. So Stuart, it says 1:40 here in Scotland. So shout out to Stuart. 1:40 a.m. in Scotland. All right, that's what's up. Travis, what's going on? So let me see if I see any questions. All right, so businessman said practicing on demo finally got improved. That's what's up, man. I'm happy for you, man. So A says, where do you see it going down by 7/4? What do you mean, July 4th? Well, I see the market going down July 4th. I don't know. I can't. I can't time things like that. I'm not a person that try to predict. All I do is I react to the situation. So I really don't know how long things will take. Like I told you guys, since March, I told you guys that when I saw this rejection, most likely we're going to test these lows. And that was all the way in March. And it took, look how long it took to actually test these lows. So honestly, no one knows. No one can actually time the exact date, the exact time, you know. All we have to do is basically go along with the major trend. And the major trend is down. That's it, plain and simple. So let's see if I have any more questions. So someone asked me how is Tron going through. So let's go to Tron real quick. All right. So I told you guys with Tron, you know, it's sad, man. It's sad because, you know, this run up was probably your only chance to take some decent profit for a long time. And it's sad because a lot of people, when they are new to investing, they have unrealistic thoughts in their head. And they think everything will continue to go up forever. And they think that they will basically be a millionaire overnight or in a couple of months. So they don't sell. So right now, what we're looking at with Tron is going along with the market. I told you guys when we had this mainnet crap, right? It wasn't following Bitcoin, but I told you guys eventually it will follow Bitcoin. So right now, ever since this dump, we have been following Bitcoin. So guys, man, I mean, right now, support right here is not looking good. It's looking weak. And most likely we will continue to go down. It's just what it is. I'm not saying that because I'm hating. No. I told you that I bought Tron last year. I bought Ripple. I bought all these, you know, a lot of coins. So don't think I'm hating on these stuff. I'm just a realist. I'm a full-time investor, full-time trader. I do this for a living. I have to make money. So I can't lie to myself. I can't sit here and use hope as a strategy. I have to say, okay, where's the market doing? And I have to react. So let's go to Litecoin. Let's go to Litecoin real quick. Man, look at Litecoin. Sheesh. Litecoin is at 74. Goodness gracious. And this thing look like it's just going down. It's like, bye-bye, baby. Sheesh, bro. This is sad, man. This is just... It's sad because a lot of people are losing money, right? And not only a lot of people are losing money, it's sad because a lot of people actually had a lot of money. I'm talking about 6 figures and above. A lot of people was up 6 figures and above, and they didn't take no profits. Let's look at XRP. XRP going down, and I told you guys, it looks like it's going to go down to the breakout. That's how the market works. It loves to go back to the breakouts. So XRP looks like it's going right back to that breakout. And most people don't want to face the truth, but at the end of the day, reality always wins. Let me say that again. At the end of the day, reality always wins. It doesn't matter what you think. That's why when I lost a lot of money in the market, in the stock market, I start to say to myself, you know what? I can't go against reality. I have to go with reality, because if I don't, I will lose a lot of money, or continue to lose a lot of money. Ripple is going down, and you got these Ripple XRP guys. I'm not even going to name no names, but you know who they are. They come on every single day, right? Live stream. What they do? They go on these sites right here, right? And they pick articles, and they look at XRP articles, and they read word by word. This is what they do. So XRP got some good news, guys. Let's read this article. Blah 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 blah. So that's what they do every single day. They feeding you news, and news is not helping you. News is not making you money. The way I make money is by reading the charts. It's very simple, guys. Very simple. Go to BTC, right? Because BTC is the main guy. Go to BTC. Very simple, guys. Ever since January, guess what? Lower lows. We broke this trend line. You see this trend line here? We broke this trend line. We are below this moving average. Every month we going lower. We are going lower. For 7 months, guys, we have been going lower. It's very simple. I'm not trying to make things complicated. I don't have anything special on my chart. I don't have nothing special on my chart. Strictly price. I'm showing you. Market going down. It's going down. It's that simple, guys. So at the end of the day, you can believe whatever you want to believe. I mean, I can't force you to believe nothing. But reality always win. Always win. So I'd rather choose reality, okay? So let's go back to the chat. Brandon, what's good, Brandon? So Brandon, you short? You was short since 61. Brandon, did you get my course? Did you get my course, Brandon? Shout out to Brandon. Brandon was short the market at 61.80. Brandon, you got my course, right? Watching the money fall out of your pockets. Exactly. So Exposed said, I gotta go catch y'all on the time machine. All right, thanks a lot, Exposed, for coming in. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you later. Huh. What's going on, Gauntlet? All right, good to see you here. Rufus, good to see you here. I'm gonna read these comments, guys, so give me a second. Anyone else can't see anything else than a long bear market? I've been 8 months. I'm reading these comments, guys, so give me a second. Ken, what's going on? He said thanks for keeping it real. All right, that's what's up. You're welcome. So first time live. I can't really pronounce your name. I think it's Ven J Rule. So shout out to Ven J Rule. First time. So I don't know if you probably been here for a long time, but I think it's first time live. So shout out to you. And you said you're from Africa, so shout out to you. That's what's up. G Slick, what's going on? Yeah, G Slick, what's going on? Hold on, guys, hold on. I forget it because I was gonna get something to drink, but forget it. I'll get it later. All right. So what's going on? Ali, what's going on? Ali's from China. Shout out. Always too early to see you. I hear you, man. So shout out to Ali from China. Good to see you. Patrick, what's going on? I just keep buying in these rough times. It looks like a good price. I'm willing to hold. So Patrick, are you new to my channel, Patrick? Because Patrick said I just keep buying in these rough times. I guess he meant to say it looks like a good price. I'm willing to hodl. So shout out to Patrick. I don't know if he's new, but Patrick sounds like he has been brainwashed. And I'm not picking on you, Patrick, because you have to understand I was brainwashed too. So I'm just letting you know, Patrick. It sounds like you have been brainwashed by the media, by society, by these YouTubers and by either your friends, and they telling you to buy the dips, hodl, and you have to understand, Patrick, how the market works. We are in a bear cycle. Yes, you can hodl all you want in the bull market. You can buy the dips all you want in the bull market, but the bear market, bro, whew, I mean, literally, you can actually lose your whole life savings if you keep on buying the dip. So shout out to Patrick. I hope he's willing to change his mind. You know, I can't help him. He only can help himself. But I hope he's willing to change his mind. So let's go back. So Nara says, does anyone trust Tether? Me personally, I don't trust Tether at all. I don't like it. I think at any moment this thing could go down, but that's just me. Me personally, I don't like it. But, you know, like I said, that's just me. So Triforce, shout out to Triforce. That's what's up. He said, I tried to hope. He said, I tried to hope as my strategy. It didn't work. Shout out to Triforce. And yes, I talk about that all the time. Hope is the worst strategy to have ever. I don't know any millionaire that basically became a millionaire because of hope. So, you know, I talk about this all the time, guys. So, while I'm here, who's making money on this short? While I'm in the chat room, who's making money on this short? Because I told you guys, I closed out my I closed out my Ethereum trade, but I didn't close out my BTC trade. So who actually still making money on the short side? Please let me know in the chat room who's making money from this drop. I want to know. I want to personally know who's making money, because this is what this chat room is all about. Making money right now, not 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 8 years from now. We don't care about 8 years, 10 years from now, because we don't know what's going to happen 8 years, 10 years from now. We care about making money now. So anybody in this chat room, please let me know that you are making money if you are in this short, because I want to hit the cha-ching button for you. I want to hit the cha-ching button for you guys. Please let me know if you are making money from this short, please. Let's go back to the chat room. Businessman said, I remember Litecoin was at 45. All right. Dom said, what I think about VeChain. I will get to that later. I want to just look over these comments real quick. Ken said, Ben, you are the real as they come, man. Thanks a lot, Ken. So Brandon said he got my course. And basically, Brandon made money. When was that, Brandon? You made money, what, today or yesterday? So let me shout out Brandon. Brandon, because I just asked you guys who's making money off this short. So shout out to Brandon. Brandon actually bought my course, I believe either this week or last week, and he's now making money. I really believe your guys I think your guys think I'm joking. You know, I come on these live streams, and I think when people listen to me, I think some of you guys think I'm joking. I think some of you guys really don't think I do this stuff. Like, this is what I do, bro. I've been doing this. This year, August is going to be 11 years. This is what I do. So when I come on here, I talk about the charts. I live and breathe this stuff. My AdSense, I don't get nothing from the YouTube. I'm not a full-time YouTuber like these other guys. I've been showed you what YouTube paid me. They pay me like $200 a month. So that comes up to $8 a day. So I can't make full-time income from YouTube. I just started to come on these live streams, what, 2 weeks ago? 2 weeks ago, I started to come on these live streams. So guys, this is what I do. I do this full time. You know, when I came, right, and I told you guys that when Bitcoin was dropping, I said, I had this level on this chart. I said, guys, I'm looking for Bitcoin to hit this level, and I want to see if it reacts to this level because this is a key level. And guess what? As soon as it hit the level, it shot up, right? And then I had this trend line going on, and I said, I want to see Bitcoin react to that trend line. Boom, shot down, right? I had Tron going on, same situation with Tron. I had these this resistance, this area, the zone area. And once you get my course, I explain everything. I explain to you how I got those areas. And as soon as Tron hit this area, it shot up. So, I mean, I don't know what I have to do personally. I don't know what I have to do to prove myself. So I come here on live stream. I tell you guys I have a course. It's up to you if you want to get it. I don't care, right? And people basically took the risk, got my course, and now they making money. People like Brandon, shout out to Brandon. He didn't know anything about shorting. Let me hit the cha-ching button for him. He didn't know anything about shorting. He got my course, and he's making money because he's followed the course step by step, and he's using the patterns. So, like I said, I think some of you guys think I'm joking. I think you really don't think I do this. I do this, bro. This is what I do. I'm a fiend. I'm addicted to this stuff. I told you, when I used to live in New York, when I used to go to my job, I used to bring my laptop with me, and I used to go on the back of the bus, and I used to study the charts all day, bro. That's all I used to do. And I never really listened to what do you call that, music. I used to basically listen to you know, self-help stuff or things that would help me become better as a either investor or individual. And I did this for a long time, bro. And sometimes I wanted to give up because I'm like, you know, man, when things is going to, you know, start to happen for me. So I've been doing this for a long time, and I live and breathe this stuff. So like I said, I think some of you guys think I'm joking. So shout out to Brandon. I want to hit the ching button for him again. And let's get this over with because you know that I don't have any sponsors. And I'm basically, during this live stream, I give a 50% discount. So let's get that over with so we can go back to the charts. So during this live stream, I give a 50% discount on my course. The original price is $210. Right now is $110. So I'm going to copy and paste this link to the chat room. And if you want to take advantage of this, go ahead. Because a lot of people are making money. Not just Brandon. You have Fetch that basically made $800. Not just him. Crypto Inspo made $4,000 last week. Who else? I think Hall made $385. Keith made $190 something. Someone else made $2K. I can't keep up. So shout out to these guys that's basically taking risks and basically buying this course for dirt cheap. Like I said, I should be charging $400. But like I said, I make money from doing this, from trading. So I'm trying to let you guys in, trying to make you guys learn. So the reason why you want to get this course is because it's showing you how to make money now. Right? If you want to learn how I made 15 grand 2 weeks ago, if you want to learn how Crypto Inspo made 4 grand last week, if you want to learn how Brandon just made money, check out this course because it will show you all the patterns. And not only is this course is not only for the bear market, it's for the bull market too. Right? So let's say just for fun, right? Just for fun, let's say that all of a sudden buyers just come in, reverse this market. I'm not going to get pissed off. I'm not going to be mad. Guess what? I'm going to follow it. I don't guys, listen. I'm not in love with a certain direction. Most people are in love with this direction only, which is buy, right? Which is going up. Most people are in love with just buying, going up, and they don't know anything about shorting, right? me personally, I'm not in love with no direction. With whatever the trend is at, that's where I'm at. Because I'm a full-time trader, I have to make money month after month after month because I have to pay bills. I have to go on vacations. I have to chill. I have to live life that to live the life that I want to live. So this is what I have to do. So I'm not saying the market is going to turn bullish. No, I mean right now the market is bear. It's a bear market, and most likely the whole year is going to be a bear market, and not just the whole year. We're going to have probably multiple years. So right now the market is down. A lot of people are so brainwashed to think that things are just going to reverse, and they talking about, oh, I'm okay. I want to hodl. I'm okay with this, bro. I'm not okay. I never came in the market to do this part time. I always wanted to do this full time. So if you want to take advantage, I will show you basically how to short this market, how to make money now. And not only that, basically, if you live in the United States, you can short it. If you have a 9-to-5, you can still do this. It's not about day trading; it's about swing trading. So take advantage of that. Let's go back to the market, and let's see what's going on in the chat room. What's going on, Isaac? How you doing? Yeah, smash the likes, people. And what's going on, Rec? What's going on, Lopez? Isaac Lopez is from Mexico. So shout out to Isaac Lopez. He said I'm working on getting the course. Shout out to Isaac Lopez. That's what's up. I'm glad that you are working, to get the course. So Rex said, Ben, you the man. I know how technical you are. How you feel about the SBI news. You said SBI news? I don't know. I didn't hear about the SBI news. Let me read the chat room. Rec, let me know what you're talking about, Rec. So Brandon said, I'm here, Glenn. Okay, I'm reading Glenn. All right, so Businessman said he made money on a demo account. Shout out to Businessman. That's what's up, man. Businessman is learning, practicing. So Hall said made money here. So shout out to Hall, right? Let me hit that cha-ching button for Hall. Hall is a guy that basically bought my course, took action, and now he's making money real time. He's not waiting 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 years from now. He wants to make money now, bro, because he understands the concept of time. You can't get time back, bro. You can't get that back. So he understands the concept of time. He understands the concept of the market, how it works, how we are in a bear cycle, and basically we could be in this cycle for a long time. So shout out to Hall, man. Let me see. All right, so Vin is your short name. Okay, no problem. So shout out to Vin. He said, not new to your channel, but first time live. So thanks. He loved my content. Appreciate it, man. And shout out to all my moderators. Moderators, you know what to do if you see a troll. You know what to do if you see a troll in the building. You know what to do. Because like I said before, when I'm here talking and the passion is coming out of me, I can't be reading comments at the same time. So shout out to all my moderators in the chat room. Make sure you sweep out all the trolls. So shout out to Zachary. I don't know, Zachary. I don't know if you bought the course, but he said he opened up a short at 6,700, and now he's looking to close at 53. That's what's up, man. I don't know if you bought my course, but shout out to Zachary. All right. Jordan said making money. Woohoo! Let me hit that. Let me hit that cha-ching button for Zachary. See, that's what I'm talking about. See, Jordan, basically, he's so happy right now because he's making money. You know why? Because a lot of people are depressed. A lot of people are depressed because they are not willing to change the way they think. They are so brainwashed to think that, oh, you know, buy and hold is the holy grail. I was listening to CNBC today, right? I had on CNBC in what's his name? Jim Cramer came on. I think that's his name, Jim Cramer. I don't watch him too much. I used to watch him, but not no more. And he says something that I was basically I have been basically talking about ever since I came on this live stream. He said that people are when they buy and hold, they get lazy. And it's funny because I've been saying that for how long, guys? Right? I've been saying that for how long? He said people that get lazy, right? And then they don't know when to take profits. They don't take profits. So they benefit from the bull run, but when the markets start to crash, they lose all their money because they are too lazy to understand how the market works, and they don't take profits. They think everything is going to continue to go up. And it's funny because I've been talking about this ever since I've been going on live stream. I've been talking about that. And it's funny, he said the same thing. It's funny, bro. That's crazy. So for you guys that hodl, bro, like, I understand. I understand you are in a community that you love, which is cryptocurrencies. I understand that you are in a community and you want to be a part of that community, right? So you use the same slang, and you want to do the certain things that other people do. But at the same time, that stuff is cute for now. Like last year, it was cute. It was cute. A lot of people made money, and the hodl thing was very cute. But the whole thing is, most people that made a lot of money, that was just paper money, meaning that it was just money in your trading account. So it was just numbers, right? That number doesn't count, because it only counts when your profit goes to your bank account. So people always trying to follow the herd, trying to follow people because they want to be a part of something. And I understand that, but you have to understand too that if you want to be good in life, you can't follow the crowd, bro. You can't become the average, because the crowd is the average, right? If you follow the average Joe, you're going to become average. You're going to get average results. If you want to become rich, successful, you have to do the opposite. You have to do things that people are not willing to do. Not what the average Joe is doing, because if you follow the average Joe, guess what? You're going to get average results. So the people that have been holding Tron, I told you guys, how many times I told a lot of you guys, I've been covering Tron for a long time, right? I said, maybe you guys maybe should, hold on, let me see if okay, I said maybe you guys probably want to take some profits. Of course, I don't give nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only, but this run up right here, we had resistance. This resistance line, we hit it right here. We sold off. We hit it one more time. I thought we was gonna go up, but that next bar right here told me, oh, that resistance line is holding. And I was hoping you guys took some profits. Some guys did, and some guys didn't. So, I know some guys are feeling it right now because they have that buy and hope mentality. This hodl, right? And you have to understand, there's nothing wrong with hodling, but you can't. I believe, in my opinion, you can't make it your main strategy. You can't make it your main strategy, and I'm going to get to that later. So I'm going to get to that later. Let's go to the chat room. Let's see what's going on. I'm reading the chat room. So Nara said, I'm making a little money. Just been really cautious at the moment, but this fourth row in a row now. Exactly. I know. I hear you, man. I hear you. I hear you, man. I was a little cautious too. I told you guys that when I was in BTC, I was looking to get out. I told you guys yesterday. I told you guys I'm looking to get out BTC if it goes back to my entry point. But luckily, it was so weak. Luckily, Bitcoin was so weak, it didn't even come up here, so. But I got out my Ethereum. I didn't make too much money with the Ethereum. I just got out. Like I said, like you said, I was trying to be cautious, because, I mean, it's like, it's like almost like early Christmas because every single short been working out, bro. Like every like boom, 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 boom. While people are depressed, we are here on my live stream making money. So let's go to the chat room and see what's going on. Oh man, scam money is broke money. All right, I hear that. Hall says scam money is broke money. I feel you. Hall said not everyone take the red pill. All right, you're right. Ben Dom said you don't need to Ben. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. You're actually being too kind to sell your course for that price. Yo, people want me to sell this for $400, man. I understand. I can do it. I know I can do it. Because I have the proof. I have proof that too many students taking my course is making money. So I know I can raise this thing to $500 easy. But I'm trying to give people a chance. I know some people are losing money right now in this bear market. So I'm giving people a chance. You know? So let's go back to the chat room. So Rizzo said, "Hey Ben, start selling. Stop thinking about these guys in the little Jesus have made 200 with just 2 trades. Love this dude. We'll buy your course soon. Ben, love your channel. Shout out to Rizzo. That's what's up. He's looking to get the course soon. Yes. So Ryad, yes." Ryan said apparently Bitcoin miners have already shut down their machines. Exactly. That's what I heard too. I heard that same thing. I heard that. I heard these Bitcoin miners shut down. So for all you guys that's talking about, oh, Bitcoin can't go below, man, listen, guys. Stop reading the news. A bear market is a bear market. It goes down regardless of what's happening. Facebook buying stuff, it doesn't matter. It will still continue to go down. This government has been hijacked, guys. It's been hijacked by the government, and this thing's gonna continue to go down, right? And this is the beginning, guys. This is the beginning. FBI has 130 ongoing crypto cases. This is the beginning, guys. Our market has been hijacked, so this is not up to me. I love cryptocurrencies just like you do, but I'm a realist, and I have to make money. I'm a professional. I have to pay bills every single month. I have to go on vacations. I have to do a lot of stuff. So I have to go with the money's at. Okay, the money right now, the money's down. So let's go back to the chat. So you said SBI is opening up what? Their desk to everyone in July? Well, I don't think about nothing like that. I mean, it is what it is. No good news is going to save this market. So shout out to Nara. Nara said I need to save these comments, guys, because I think I'm gonna start saving these comments so I can when I go on live I can show you guys these comments, because you know I think that's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna start saving these comments, and when I come on live I'm gonna show you guys these comments. All right, so Nara said he made 2,500 euros. No, he said he make 2,500 euros a month from his 9 to 5, right? And he said he just finished closing $700 profit in 1 week. So basically he's saying that in 1 week he's making more than what he making in his 9 to 5. He said Ben course is a must buy. So shout out to Naro. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Right? I think I'm gonna start saving these testimonials because I'll be forgetting who's making money now, you know. So shout out to everybody that's making money from this course. I'm gonna copy and paste this course again. If you just join this live stream, this course is 50% off. My students are making a lot of money from this course, and basically it will show you how to make money now. I'm not interested in hodling, but this market does show you how to make money in the bull market. So that's the unique thing about this course. It will show you how to make money in the bull market. But right now we are in the bear market. So if you want to learn how to make money now, then this course is for you. But like I said in my last, like I said in my last live stream, I told you guys, listen, if you're not open-minded and if you are a guy that's want to hodl, I'm begging you to not get this course. I don't want you to get this course. I don't need you to get this course. I told you that I do this full time. This is what I do full time, the charts, right? So I don't need you to get this course. So all you people that don't believe in this, please do not get this course. I'm begging you. From my heart, I'm begging you not to get this course. I do this for a living. So this chart right here in front of you, I follow the chart. I make money from the charts. So I don't need everybody to get this course. This course is only for the people that want to make money now. That's it. So shout out to people that's open-minded and want to make money right now, not 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 years from now, but right now. So shout out to you guys. Let me copy and paste this link, and let's get this party started. Let's continue to go to the chat room. So I just copy and paste that link. So Rec, yeah, Rec. I don't know, Rec. I don't know anything about that, but to me, any good news come out right now is to me is worthless. But honestly, I didn't look into that. Michael, my course, jaffax.com, you don't need that much to open the account. You only need $50 to open the account. So you can open an account with $50. The short, you don't need 5K to short. You can open an account with $50. And you can, you know, work with $50, $100, $200, whatever you want. Cedric, what's going on? Cedric said, I shorted BTC this morning. Thanks to Ben. My first real trade. That's what's up, man. So Cedric is making money because of my course. Like I said, I told you guys, I'm gonna start saving these testimonials, because I'll be forgetting sometimes who say what. I'll be forgetting who say what, so I'm gonna start saving these things, man. Because people think I'm joking out here. So let's go back to the comment box. Let's see what's going on here. Jay Miller, what's going on? Moreau, how you doing? From Australia, what's going on? So businessman said making money on the demo account. That's what's up, man. Listen, businessman. That trust me, what you're doing right now, that means a lot, because you are practicing and you're getting used to how to make money. You're getting used to how to build. You basically building skills right now. So it doesn't matter if it's demo money or not. You are doing something that you're doing something that most people is not doing. Most people right now is so brainwashed that they are willing to wait 8 years, you know, because this market could take a long time. Because I showed you guys already, 2013, it took 5 years to recover, to go all the way back to the high. 5 years, and that was the unregulated market. So it could actually take longer this time. So people are willing to wait that long and not make money now. So you're doing something that a lot of people are not doing right now. So shout out to you. As long as you keep on practicing, that's what's up. You can make this money. So shout out to a businessman. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Roger, what's going on? How you doing? Oh man, I'm looking at these comments. Hey Ben, finally made it. All right, on your live chat, 5 in the morning here. Where are you? Where you live at? I'm trying to pronounce your name. Kanin, Kevin, where you live at? You say you finally made it. Rich, what's going on, homie? What's going on, Rich? Rich, you came here before, right? What's going on, Randy? How you doing? Kevin, what's going on? I'm looking at these comments, so give me a second. I'm reading these comments, so give me a second. So Triforce said, I understand that it's a bear market, but do you think Tron going to its own coin will help or hurt it? Well, it will probably help it in the long run. In the long run, Michael. But right now, it's not going to help it. Not right now. Not short term. Not short term. Only in the long run, you know. But short term, nah. It's a rappos. Nara said, I actually got one sweet blonde girl interested in crypto because of the course. And now she wants me to teach her. I hear that, man. Shoot. You getting money and you getting girls? I hear that. So Navin, okay. Nawin, okay, I hear you. I'm from India, okay. Shout out to Nawin, he's from India. So Kevin said, I want to get your course. I have been learning on my own, taking L's. So Kevin, let me ask you a question. How come you didn't get the course then? If you've been taking L's. So all those L's that you've been taking, you could have just basically bought the course. It's only $110. I'm quite sure you spend that in one day. You buy, if you go to the movies, you go to dinner. So, you know, I mean, I really can't go no lower than 110. Like, you know. So I'm reading these comments, guys. Give me a second. Give me a second. So shout out to all the people that's pretty much got into the crypto world and basically was fascinated about the you know, with the technology, and you wanted to get away from the government, and you like the whole idea about the decentralized. Shout out to you guys. I understand that a lot of you guys was pretty much new to the investing world, and you don't understand what's going on. So shout out to you guys, man, because I know you guys is feeling it right now, man. Because I get a lot of emails. I get a lot of emails that, you know, these people just basically saying, man, I'm losing my money. So shout out to you guys. Shout out to a guy named Miguel. I don't know if he's on his live stream, but shout out to Miguel, man. Miguel actually bought my course, I think today or last week. Actually, I think it was today. He bought the course today, and he told me how much he lost. I'm not going to tell you guys how much he lost. I'm going to keep that private, but, you know, I really feel, you know, I feel bad for him. because he really don't have that much to work with right now. So a lot of people are just feeling it right now, man. You know, and then it's just sad. It's sad because you have these YouTubers that get a lot of views, have a lot of subscribers, and they telling them the wrong thing, bro. Just for views and likes. And shout out to Miguel, man. I know you're feeling it, but don't worry. The beauty of life is every day is a new day. So you can actually press the reset and reset button every day. You have to understand, Miguel. Me personally, it took me 8 years to become successful. Actually, longer than that, because it took me another 2 years, because when I first started to actually be an entrepreneur, I didn't start it with the what's it called, the stock market. I was basically trying to find out what to do. So for 2 years straight, I didn't know what to do. I was trying everything. I was trying to be a real estate broker. I was trying to, see if I could buy real estate wholesale. I was trying everything, bro. Like, I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do. So eventually, I actually was buying and selling cars, which was pretty good, because my first car I bought, I made $600 in 2 days. And I was like, whoa, this is pretty good. This is more than I make at my job. So I fell in love with that. I fell in love with the idea that I can actually take money and turn it into more money. So I was doing okay with it. I wasn't making that much money, but I was doing okay. And like I said, I got introduced to this guy. Basically, he was selling a car, and I was basically trying to buy it from him so I could flip it. And he's the person that pretty much introduced me to the stock market, because at the time he had some stock that thought it was gonna go to I think $15 at the time, and the stock was at 10 cents. So ever since then, I fell in love with the market, and and I've just been grinding, man. Grinding for 8 years straight. Been losing money. I lost probably over 85 grand, and but I never gave up. So that's what I'm trying to tell you, Miguel, if you're listening. That today is not, tomorrow could be actually a new day for you. Don't give up. Just keep at it. And if you are dedicated and addicted to this stuff and study, you can actually become successful, man. So shout out to Miguel. Shout out to everybody that's basically having an open mind, because it's not easy. It's not easy to have an open mind, because you've been brainwashed pretty much all your life. So I do understand that, I can't really convince a lot of people in 1 or 2 days or even a week to think another way. It's going to take a while, right? You have people like some guy comment on my video today. He said, man, I'm down $23,000. He said, I invested $30,000 and now I'm down 23. So he said he only has 7K left. So I told him, I said, I hear you, man. I feel sorry for you. But I told him that, listen, you can actually start to make money now if you want to. He said, nah, man, it's too late. So you have people like that just closed-minded. They have been brainwashed for so long that they think that there's only one way to make money. So shout out to all your guys that's losing money, man. I feel sorry for you guys, man. I do. And also, not only I feel sorry for you, it's sad that you have these YouTubers telling these people to keep on buying, while the market is clearly going down every single week, going down, and you have people saying buy, buy, buy. Man, I mean, this is sad, bro. So shout out to everybody that's willing to change their mind. Shout out to, I believe her name is Jessica. She was actually on this live stream earlier today. She said she never heard about shorting until she came to my live stream. So that tells you right there, guys, that we have been brainwashed to only do things one way. She never heard about shorting until she came on my live stream, right? So we have been brainwashed that we can only make money by going long. And meanwhile, the rich get makes money while the market is going up and down. So the rich is always making money, right? They always making money because they will short the market if it's going down, and they would buy the market if it's going up. But meanwhile, the people, the average Joe, they only know how to buy and hold, which is sad, man. It was sad, you know. So I'm trying to wake up a couple of people. It's going to take a long time, but it is what it is. I know I can't wake up everybody, but if I can do 1 or 2 people, I'm cool with that. So let's go back to the chat room. Let's see what's going on. So Rod said he sent me an email. All right, I'll check it later when I get off the stream. So businessman said yes, building his skills. Exactly. That's what you got to do. You have to build skills, because that's what making money is all about. Skills. It's not about how, you know, talent or anything. You don't have to have talent. You just have to have dedication, willing to learn, study, and that's it. Ken said, I can't study due to these live streams. Ken, you got all day to study, Ken. What are you talking about, Ken? Oh, man. Ken is funny. So, shout out to Kevin. Kevin said he's about to get it right now. So, let me show Kevin the link if he don't have the link. Kevin said he wants to learn how to make money in this bear market. So I just gave Kevin the link. Shout out to him. For the people that's new, basically what Kevin is getting right now is a discount on my course. The original price is $210, but right now is $110. And this course will show you how to make money right now. And we've been doing that consistently. So it's up to you. Let's go back to the chat room. Let me see. So Kevin said, post that link one more time. Yeah, I just posted. My fault, Kevin. My fault. I'm late to your comment, but I just posted right now. Oh, what's going on, Crypto Inspo? All right. Yo, shout out to Crypto Inspo. Crypto Inspo is a guy that bought this course for $100 and something, and he made $4 grand off this course. I mean, guys, man, come on, man. A course that costs $110, which you spend what at the movies and the dinner. He's making $4 grand off this joint. So shout out to Crypto Inspo. Let me hit the ching button for him. Glad to see you back. I'm guessing that you're home, right? Crypto Inspo, you're home or you in the car? So Ken said, I made $200. I had Bitcoin Cash, and I heard that you said that the market was going down 2 weeks ago, so I transferred money to fiat. Thanks. All right. So shout out to Ken. He made $200 because he transferred money to fiat. That's what's up, man. Any thoughts on July 5th, the ban on cryptos in India? Nah, no thoughts. This market, regardless of any bad or good news, the market will most likely continue to go down because that's how bear markets work. I don't care about bad news. I don't care about good news. All I care about is direction, and the direction is down. I don't get caught up too much in news because I know that news could distract me. It could actually cloud my judgment, and I don't really get too much. I don't read too much news too much. So, you know, today I had a couple of news up today because I'm trying to show you guys that the government basically took over cryptocurrencies. So let's go back to the chat room. So, Grandy said, do you have a backup page where you can find, just in case they trying to silence me, censor you for giving us this information? Not yet. I mean, my channel is small, so Honestly, I don't think I'm on their radar yet. So I think I'm good. I think if I hit around 8K to 10K, that's when I probably have to worry. Oh man, but right now I think I'm good. My channel is still small a little bit, you know. It's hitting like my channel is hitting like 6K subscribers. So when I get to like 9 or 8, 10, then I have to worry, because you know how these people are. Let's go back. Crypto Inspo said, I swear, but my girlfriend is jealous of you. She just came from the water park, enjoyed the Bitcoin going down, making that money. So Crypto Inspo, earlier, yeah, I hear you, Crypto Inspo. So Crypto Inspo, you made money off this long, because I mean this short, because I was trying to ask people who made money off this, because a lot of people in the chat room said they made money. So I just wondered if you was making money off that short. Because I don't know if you was short in the market yet. I don't know. Oh, okay, you're still in it. Okay. So shout out to Crypto Inspo. He's still short in the market and he's making that money. So shout out to him. All right. So that's what it's about, guys. It's about trying to learn how things work. And once you learn how things work, you just basically go with the flow. Go with the flow, guys. Most people don't want to do that. So let me go back to the chat room and see what's going on, because I'm about to get off this soon, probably. That's what's up, man. I'm glad you're making money. Let me see if I can do some sound effects. Get over here. That's what we saying to the money. We like, what? Let's make this money. Get over here. Get over here. Oh man. So shout out to all you guys that's making money. Because I'm telling you right now, man, your favorite YouTuber is saying, guys, I don't know what's going on. The market's going down, you know, but, you know, it's okay. Just be patient. Patient is not going to pay the bills, guys. You can be patient in the bull market. Of course, you can be patient in the bull market because it's going up. But in the bear market, guys, patient is not going to pay your bills. All right, so it's time to it's time to change the way you think. Damn. So Crypto Inspo, let me hit this chicken button for Crypto Inspo again. I swear I have to copy and paste these I gotta copy and paste these what do you call these testimonials, man. This dude is making $4,398 right now. He said he's getting out at 55. That's what's up, man. That is what's up, bro. Shout out to him, man. I mean, really. I'm surprised I didn't cry yet. I'm surprised I didn't get emotional yet, seeing all your guys making this money. So for you guys that's new to this chat room, I have a course out right now that's showing you how to make money right now. It's showing you how to make money in the bear and the bull market. It's the only course on the market right now that's showing you how to make money both ways. So if you want to learn that, just how my students making money right now, then let me copy and paste this link. And I told you guys, for the people that don't have an open mind, please, I'm begging you, don't get this course. Crypto Inspo wants me to raise this price. He wants me to go charge this for $400. So it's up to you guys. I'm trying to give you a chance to get in. To get in the door. I'm trying to give you the chance to get in the door. I told you guys that BTC, we looking at BTC right now, and BTC is in the channel. I told you guys, we are in a channel. We are going down in the channel, right? And the market most likely is going to follow this channel. And I'm looking for the market to at least hit the bottom of the channel first before it do anything. Before if it's trying to do another head fake, you know, because you have to understand the market does pull back. So I'm looking for the market to hit this. We are in the channel. We are going down, guys. This is not a joke. Most people think this is a joke. They think they could buy every little pullback because they see a green bar. A green bar in a bear market doesn't mean the market is going to reverse. It just means the market is pulling back. You have to understand how the market works, guys. This is not fun and games. This is your hard-earned money. You have to, I mean, come on. This is your hard-earned money. You've been saving your money for all your life, and you want to just throw it away just like that? Learn your market. Learn how things work. Okay? And once you learn how things work, then you can start making money. So shout out to Crypto Inspo. He's making 4,000 and I forgot the rest, but it's 4,000 something. So shout out to him. Let me hit that ching button again. And it's not just him, it's multiple people. So shout out to him, man. Shout out to him. Right? I told you guys, we looking for round 2. We were looking for that round 2.
Round 2. Fight.
We looking for that round 2. And we getting to round 2 right now. So shout out to everybody that's in the chat room. I appreciate it. So let's see what's going on in the chat. So Nara says, Ben, you're already changing people's lives. We salute you. If you ever come to Europe, I will fly anywhere and buy you dinner, man. Shout out to Nara, man. He said that's a promise. All right, that's what's up, man. Appreciate it. Buddy, you coming here late. I know, man. What's up? I'm about to get off, buddy. Probably do something later on tomorrow. Probably do something later on tomorrow. I don't know. But people don't understand. It's very good to educate yourself and learn about how your business work. Because if you don't know how your business work, how do you expect, bro, to be successful? How do you expect to be successful? And once you understand and educate yourself and figure out how things work, it's going to be hard to for people to actually fool you and trick you. Because people could easily, that's how people are getting tricked. They go on these news sites, they're reading these news, they're getting tricked easily. Oh my gosh, the news, what? The news said the market's going to reverse? Okay, I'm going to start buying now. You are getting tricked easily because you never educate yourself. You never figure out how the market works. So anybody can say anything and you believe it because you are not educated, right? So that's why it's very good to educate yourself. Understand your market. I told you guys, I don't care where you get your education from. You can get it from your library. You can get it from Google. I don't care where you get it from. Just educate yourself because you will be better. It's just what it is. It's how it works. That's why it's so easy to manipulate a kid because a kid, a 7-year-old or a 5-year-old, doesn't know anything, right? They are still young. They in the learning stage. They're still young. They don't understand what's going on in the world. So it's very easy to trick that kid because, you know, he's still young. So it's the same thing when you come in the market and you don't educate yourself. You are a young investor. When you are entering the market and you are a young investor, just like the little kid, just like the 5-year-old. That's easy to, you know, to get manipulated, right? You are a young investor, so you have to educate yourself so these guys won't fool you. These guys are professional liars. These guys on the news, are professional liars. These YouTuber guys are professional liars too. They are helping a lot of these dudes, man. They telling you this, they telling you that just to get some views. And the reason why you're believing it because you're not educated. It's just what it is. I'm keeping it real. You don't have to like my content. You can, you know, you can hate me. I don't care. But I have to, you know, tell you guys what it is. I have been telling you guys ever since March. I believe that the market will hit this low. It took a while. Don't get me wrong. It took a while, but now we to this low, and it looks like we're going to continue to go down. So it is what it is. Let's go to the chat room and see what's going on. So man, I'm trying to pronounce his name. He told me how to pronounce it. I think Nawin. You said, how much investment capital should I have before I join your course? Well, basically, when you buy this course, Navwin, when you buy this course, you can sign up for jaffx.com, and basically you only need $50 just to start, just to fund your account. So you don't need that much. You don't, after that, whatever you want to put in is up to you. But the minimum for them is basically you fund your account with $50. But let's say you want to fund it with $200 or $500. That's cool with you too. I mean, that's cool with me, or cool whatever. That's cool with them. So $50 is the minimum, and you can practice in the demo account. You don't have to fund your account right away, and you can practice. So you don't need that much, Navwin. So let me copy and paste for the link for you if you want to copy it, if you want to get it, you know. All right, so let's go back to the chat. So businessman said, I can't wait to put real money after doing a few practice rounds. So shout out to businessman. Businessman basically got the course. He's doing a demo account, and he's practicing right now, and he's making money while he's practicing. So shout out to him. I'm reading the comments, guys, so give me a second. And the mods, the moderators, you know what to do. If you see a troll, if you see a troll in the building, you know what to do. Clean that guy out. Let me see. I'm reading the so question 911 said, question, can you dollar cost average your losses at the bottom? 911, we don't, that's the whole point. 911, we don't know when the bottom is at. I mean, we don't know the bottom. See, dollar cost average works when in the bull market, but in the bear market, we never know the bottom. So you can actually keep on buying the bottom, right? Keep on buying the bottom, and you think that this is the bottom. So I can't tell you the bottom. Steve, anybody, Bobby, Bill, nobody can tell you the bottom, right? So we don't know the bottom. You could probably think it's the bottom, and you put more in it, and then it continue to go down. So it's very hard to detect the bottom. Of course, you can use a couple of things to figure out if it's the bottom, but even then, it's very hard to figure out the bottom. So me, I don't do that in the bear market. I don't dollar cost average because it's very risky. I like to make money monthly. So you know, that's the answer. I'm reading the comments, guys, so give me a second. So yeah, so I'm about to get off this. Shout out to everybody that's making this bread though, man. I'm serious. Oh man, shout out to everybody, man. Honestly, I didn't I didn't know if anybody was going to get this course, because it's very hard to come on here and tell people, guys, the market is going down, and you know, you can actually make money going short. So I didn't think people was actually going to get this course. I didn't think that, you know what I'm saying? So it's good to see people actually making money, because when I go on YouTube, all I see is, yo, I'm buying this dip, I'm buying this dip. So when I came on live, I didn't think nobody was going to get this, man. I was like, I don't know, man. I don't think this is going to go well, because so many people are brainwashed. So shout out to you guys who's actually making money right now in this market, because a lot of people are still closed-minded, very closed-minded. I have one of my students, I think it's Moex. He basically owns Ripple, but at the same time, he's shorting Ripple and making money. So he decided to say, you know what, enough is enough. I'm tired of losing money on Ripple. I'm tired of seeing these guys on YouTube come on these live streams every single day, reading the news about Ripple, talking about Ripple good news this, Ripple good news that. But at the end of the day, they see, you know, Ripple is still going down. So he got tired of that. And he said, you know what, I'm going to risk my money and buy Ben's course. And he bought my course, and now he's making money shorting Ripple. And he owns Ripple. So, I mean, that's a person that's willing to change his mind, you know. And honestly, I didn't think I was going to get people to get this course, because it's very hard to change people's mind, because a lot of people are brainwashed. And when you have been brainwashed all your life, sometimes it's just hard to, you know, tell people to do something a different way. So shout out to all you guys, man. Shout out to all you guys that's actually decided to, you know, get the course and change the way you think, and now you're making money. So let me go back to the chat room. People making that money. Businessman said, great group here. Yes, it is a great group. And I want to keep it that way. And plus, for all your guys as moderators, make sure you clean up all the trolls. Because like I said before, while I'm talking, I can't see these guys. So clean up all these dudes that's talking trash, that's talking stupidness. Clean them up. Because over here, we all about making money. That's it. It is what it is. You know, Bitcoin, we on a 4-hour chart. We've been going down since, I think, March, I believe. Having these flags, right? Flags all over the place. The market's consolidating, boom, crashing. Consolidating, boom, crashing. And people talking about TA doesn't work in cryptocurrencies. But no, TA doesn't work because you don't know how it works. That's why. If you don't know how things work, of course it doesn't work. Because you're not willing to learn. You're so close-minded. and you think that things don't work because you watched a video maybe that a person that don't know nothing about technical analysis, and they claim they do, and he's probably wrong. He did something wrong, and you automatically you start to say, oh man, technical analysis doesn't work. Meanwhile, we are here making this money. And the reason why I'm still on YouTube and basically doing things better than most of these YouTubers is because I do this full time. So imagine me on YouTube telling you guys, yo man, keep buying the dips. Then you can tell that I don't know what I'm talking about. That's why a person, I forgot who asked me this, but a person asked me, I think last week, hey Ben, why all of a sudden you turn bearish? Because he wants me to keep on saying we're going to moon, or we're going to go up to 20K. Like, I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to do that because I know most people will lose money if I tell you to keep on buying the dips. That's the same reason why I don't review ICOs, because I know most of you guys are going to lose money. It's just what it is. I don't do things so you guys can lose money. So people like me is going to stick around because those other guys, I don't see them sticking around too long because their subscribers going to turn on them because they're going to get mad at them. Because they're going to say, yo man, you keep on saying the same thing. You keep on saying it's going to moon to 20K and it's not doing anything. So shout out to y'all people. Shout out to everybody that's on the live stream. About to get off. And I'm a little thirsty right now. Get some water. Let me see what's in the chat though. I'm reading the chat, guys, so give me a second. All right, so let me get off this chat room. I'm glad that people are making money because trust me, guys, I do get a lot of emails saying that, oh man, Ben, I'm down 80%, I'm down 70%, I'm down 60%, I'm down 150K, I'm down this, I'm down that. But honestly, I really think that people that email me, except for Miguel is different because he actually bought my course. But most people that email me, I don't think they are willing to change their mind. I can tell the way, when I talk to them. I tell them like, I'm sorry for your loss. I'm sorry for, you losing money, but there's other ways you can actually make money now. And their responses is crazy. It's too late, or it's so negative. So shout out to you guys. I'm about to get off this live stream. Thank you for being on this live stream with me. Thank you for basically making money with me. So let's hit that cha-ching button. Shout out Keith. I don't know what Keith is at. I think he's probably still working. So shout out to Keith. But I'm about to get out of here, guys. Jim said, Ben, accurate so far. This is definitely not buyer's market. Traps consistently. No time to buy. Thanks for your chat. Have a good night. No, thank you, Jim. Appreciate it. And yeah, that's the good thing, yeah, good night, guys. I know, right now, every day they changing the headlines on XRP and stuff, talking about this, that, and XRP going to the news, moon, whatever the case is. So 45, what's going on, 45? You missed the stream, guy. 45. It's 10 o'clock, man. You should have been here. I hear you. You were studying? Okay, I hear you. I hear you, man. So 45, shout out to 45. He's one of my other students. He's a loyal listener and person that comes here pretty much. Oh, he just got off of work? Okay. I hear you, man. I hear you. So you working late today. All right, no problem. He's in time out now. Yo, Crypto Inspo said you on timeout. Oh my God. This dude is a comedian, son. Oh my gosh. Yo, Crypto Inspo said 45. He said you on timeout. Oh man. That's funny. Oh man, kid. Let me get out of here though. Good night, everybody. Good night. Businessman, Crypto Inspo, 45. Who else? Ken. Rusty. Jim, everybody, man. Buddy, 911, Nara, everybody that's in this chat room. I can't name everybody. Glenn, Kevin. Shout out to Kevin. He actually got the course. Let me hit the cha-ching button for him because once you study, and if you dedicate it, you can actually make money. So shout out to Ken for getting this course. So I'm about to get off this chat. So this price is about to, you know, go back to 210. So if you want to take advantage of this course, it's on 50% discount right now. It's gonna go right back to 210. I'm getting off this live chat. Good night, everybody. I can't say everybody's name because it's too many people. Jordan, good night, Jordan. I think you just got the course like 2 days ago. So shout out to Jordan. What's going on, official? What's going on, official? Official, you had a question. I didn't see your question. So he said I'm waking up to the concept slowly. Correct me if I'm wrong. Buy high, sell low. No, you're not selling low. You can buy high and buy high in the bull market, but right now we are selling. Well, I guess you could say sell low, but it just every time the market pulls back, we have an opportunity to go short. So yes, shout out to official, shout out to Navwin, Randy, everybody, Rod, everybody that's in the chat room. Good night, guys. Have a good night. Make sure you study. 911 said, "What's the temp?" Shout out to everybody that's in this chat room. Good night. Make sure that you study. Make sure that you basically become addicted to this stuff. And once you educate yourself, people can't fool you. People cannot fool you once you educate yourself. So guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. See you guys later. I'm about to either take a nap or whatever I got to do, but I'm definitely thirsty. So thank you for your time and have a great night.